and welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera Go. Happy August, everyone! Can you believe that summer is coming to an end? It feels like just yesterday I was showing y'all some great summer vacation finds. Well, you know what they say, time flies when you're having fun. Just because summer vacation is over doesn't mean the fun has to end. Starting off with the destination suggested to us in a survey, let's find some options for a Labor Day weekend getaway to Virginia Beach. As always, I like to check Quest for shorter stays. Let's plug in the dates and see what we find. I personally prefer to immediately order the results from the highest to lowest rating, so not only am I seeing all of the great savings that are listed, I can trust the results since they're based off of 100% verified views. Here's an excellent option for those looking to travel to the Norfolk, Virginia Beach area. Since there is so much to do in both areas, I know I'd prefer to be in such a centralized location. Plus, you can't beat the price. A great way to look at results when you're basing your hotel solely on location is through the map view. The map is also really helpful when it comes to comparing hotel prices. Like I said, there is a bunch of things to do in the Virginia Beach area, and if you're flying, it would probably be a good idea to find a rental car for your stay. After plugging in the information for our Labor Day getaway, it turns out there are a lot of great options and pickup locations to choose from with great prices. Another suggestion we were given was Palm Springs, California. I wanted to show you a few things I found on the 1,000 points or less page. As you can see, there are many options listed for the Palm Springs and surrounding areas currently under the Pacific Coast section. There are a few listed in Cathedral City, but my favorite is located in Indio, California, a quick 30-minute drive southeast from Palm Springs. This resort is beautiful, and it's listed at 750 points for both 3-night and 5-night stays. I'd recommend visiting this beautiful desert landscape in late fall, winter, or early spring. Labor Day weekend might be a little too hot. For more dates, I suggest hopping back on Quest and seeing what's available. Tennis fans might appreciate this find located in Indian Wells. I take it that if you're watching this video, you enjoy taking the time to research new destinations to visit. While you're spending countless hours weighing the best options for your trip, you're never worrying about lost luggage or missed flights then. Why should that change when you actually start traveling? As a Palmera Vacation Club member, you can absolutely take advantage of the travel club plan that is priced at $99. Take a look at the highlighted items here, or view the full plan details by downloading this document. For other plans, you can always fill out the form to receive a quote. With Vacation Guard, your next trip to Hilton Head Island will be worry-free. Before we say goodbye, I'd like to remind all of you that the deadline to save your 2021 points is coming up. All of you have until October 1st to save your unused points for next year. If you aren't planning to do any more traveling before the end of the year using your points, go ahead and save your points into next year now before you forget. If you still plan on traveling using your points this year, you are good to go and can leave them right where they are. And that's it for this month's video. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Until next time!